All right, Friday is here, and hopefully I'm going to actually make some money today. I just dropped my daughter off at school. I'm going to go grab my coffee, and I'm going to try to hustle to make this money, honey. I turned on Spark and Corner Shop because there's an incentive on Corner Shop, because I haven't been making like jack shit all week because I've been holding out trying to get Instacart batches, and I can't do that anymore. I have things I need to pay for, and I just can't sit there and rely on trying to get this bonus if there's no orders coming in. So right away, I got a Spark Shop and Deliver order, which you guys know is my favorite, and I accepted it right away. It's 43 items, but upon checking, there's no cases of water or anything like that, so it still looks like it's going to be an easy shop. And it doesn't look like it's any apartment, so $23.30. I'm gonna go do it. I need to make money, so I'm gonna go do it. All right, let's get to this. All right, so this right here took about 45 minutes. So I messaged the customer and said that I'm on my way. Do you still want it left at the door? You know, because it's contactless delivery. And she said that she will meet me at the door. All right, so I don't know, something weird just happened. So the delivery went fine. After I was gone and driving away, she sent me a text message. Hey, please verify that you get notice of a tip. Their app acted a little funny when I went back and tried to add it. Well, with Spark, I don't get to see what I got tipped until 24 hours after the delivery. So I told her that. Unfortunately, I can't. So she said, ugh, that sucks. That's what she said. But in my mind, I'm thinking, so does that mean I'm not going to get that tip? Because either I believe her. I believe that there was a glitch in the app and she's not sure if the tip went through or not. I do. I believe her. She didn't look like a con artist, but most con artists don't. I'm just saying, I believe her that she tried to tip me. Question is it going to go through? So basically, is that my like surefire sign that's telling me that I'm not getting tipped for that order? I guess we'll see. So before I head back out to work again, I decided to check the Spark app just to see my earnings, and it said 48 something, which I was like, wait a minute, I did one order that was like 20 something dollars, $23. And the lady who had trouble with the tip gave me a $25 tip to do the 43 items. Like, wow. Pretty impressive. So I ended up just doing one order when I went back out. Not sure why I didn't record it, but it's listed here. Good morning, guys. It is another day, Saturday morning. Let's go make that money, honey. All right, just picked up a Walmart Spark Shop and Deliver. It's only 2 items. It's paying $23 and some change. And I am all set to make that money. I have a feeling that today is going to be a good money-making day. So let's get it. literally took 5 minutes. In, grabbed the items, and out, and I had to make a substitution, but it was perfect. So according to this, the customer is 8 minutes away. They're actually located at the beach, probably at a hotel or resort or something. But I'm gonna send my on the way text message. Now, when I send my text messages to people, I use text replacement. So I have a code that I type in, like 3 letters or the start of something, and it'll automatically show up like the phrase that I want to send to them. And it's so much easier. It's easier than doing talk to text because they definitely don't always interpret your words correctly. I've had that happen too. So I did a video on how to do it on iPhone. I don't know how to do it on Android because I don't have an Android, but I'll link that up here. My little shorts video on how to add, how to do text replacement with an iPhone. I found it to be super helpful. So let's go deliver these groceries and get a move on. So I finished that Walmart Spark order. It's busy in there. I remember how much I hate going to Walmart on the weekends. So the customer's 13 minutes away, but when I put it in the directions, it said coastal flooding warning, and it may affect my route. Please tell me I'm not driving into flood zone. I know I'm over near the beach and I have to deliver near the beach, but I don't want to go into flooded street. We'll find out, won't we? That's the only item. 5 of those. I shouldn't speak so soon, but I am loving these easy, quick orders because you do enough of them. Oops. You do enough of them before you know it, you've racked up like crazy money, and that's what my plan is. All right, 6 minutes away. Let's go. So it's currently 12:30 and I've hit a little bit of a slow period. So I did turn on Uber Eats and Grubhub. I haven't gotten anything yet, but we'll see. I am on a mission because I am manifesting that we are gonna make a lot of money today. We've done good so far, so as long as we can keep it going, you know? All right, so I took a couple hours off. I didn't mean to. I went home because there was no orders coming in. Figured I'd stop in, see how everything was going there, and boom. I stayed for a couple hours. So I have a Walmart Spark shop and deliver, of course. Seems to be like the main thing I get all the time. So I am off to go do that now. So let's go. All right, so this next order, which I forgot to screenshot, but by completing this Walmart Spark order, I'm actually going to get an extra $15 bonus. So it ends up being like $35 or $40 for this order before tip. 7 items, I'm headed there now. How you doing?
Hi, how are you?
Good. Perfect time.
You took a picture already?
No, I didn't.
Okay, you can get your picture.
Thank you, I appreciate it. And this one. This makes order number 6 for Walmart. Hey guys, I just want to jump on here and close out the video. Obviously it's days later, so I just want to do my earnings recap. This whole time I was also doing the InstaCart challenge that I posted a video. I'll link it right up here. So Friday I did 2 orders with Walmart Spark. I was out for 2 hours. We drove 19.2 miles and made a total of $71.56, which was an hourly earnings of $35.78 an hour, which is amazing. And honestly, it was because that one customer that gave me the $25 tip. If I didn't get that $25 tip, my earnings wouldn't have been as good. So I made like $40-something, $48 I think it was, in that 1 hour. So that's just absolutely amazing. I'm truly grateful for customers like that. And then on Saturday, I did 2 Instacart orders and I did 6 Walmart Spark orders. I was out for 5.5 hours and drove 53.5 miles. So for Instacart, I only made $12.88. That was the 2 shop-only orders, so there was like no tips or anything involved. Really quick, easy orders. And for Walmart Spark with the 6 deliveries, I made $164.20. I had 3 tips that cleared the next day. Most of Walmart Spark's tips clear the next day. I was shocked that Friday night that lady's tip cleared like instantly. I was shocked. So for the whole day, I made a grand total of $177.08, which comes out to $32.20 per hour. Absolutely crazy. Both days I made over $30 an hour. Walmart Spark is basically been a hit for me. And I'm not even doing the delivery only orders. I'm only taking shop and deliver orders. I think they pay really well for me. And I'm going to continue to do them as long as they work out well for me. I also try to sprinkle in other apps too. But I definitely think that they're well worth the money, and that's why I try to show you guys, because a lot of people are turning them down, and they're so worth it. Okay guys, well, I hope you liked the video. I will see you in the next video. I'm getting ready to go out there and make that money today. Stay safe. Peace out.